Hey guys, welcome back to the channel
Abhi and Sid.
Today we are going to do chocolate guessing challenge.
So whoever is new to the channel, please subscribe.
So now let's get started. So here we have different kinds of chocolates. There are 9 types of chocolates in this. And these nut chocolates come into one category, and these Perk and Kit Kat and also Munch come into one category where we might get confused.
Yeah.
And this one,
The
5-star and bar
Bar
one.
type.
They have
which will
caramel.
caramel. So a bit tricky to identify these two. And to make our challenge much more interesting,
Yeah.
we are having a milkshake after every bite, after each and every chocolate. So this will make it much more confusing and due to the chocolate flavor.
Hmm.
So I think
So who's going to go first?
I'll be going first today.
So yeah, take the
And
blindfold.
I will win the challenge too. As we
As usual. So this is your third chance, okay? You need to win this.
It's okay, bro.
Don't worry.
I took the
You are not going to win this. So ready?
Yeah.
So let me.
Alright.
Obviously, you shouldn't see anything. Don't guess it with sound because I'm confusing you with different sounds.
That's just a wrapper, bro. Every wrapper sounds the same.
Hmm. Take it. Take the cup. I'm giving you. Okay, guess it.
Oh. It's Perk, bro.
Final.
Wait. Munch nuts. It's Munch nuts. Final. I won the round, no? I won my first round.
I will tell you at the last.
Hey, tell me.
No.
It's Munch nuts.
I will tell you at the last.
Okay. So I should be having this, no?
Yeah. And
Oh, अरे ओपन कर रहे अरे it tasted like Perk, Munch nuts. I don't know, bro, what it was. It tasted similar.
yeah, take it.
Perk. Confirm Perk. Confirm. Nothing. Perk. Confirm.
Okay.
What was my first answer?
First answer was unsnacks.
Second Perk.
Which Perk? What is that?
I'm feeling same taste. I'm getting same taste, right? Wish I didn't have my chocolate in today.
It's okay. One.
Kit Kat. That's the only thing left. It should be Kit Kat.
You have.
Oh, I have
Munch
Munch also. No, it's Kit Kat. My third option, Kit Kat. Definitely Kit Kat. Where's my drink? This way.
After eating so much of chocolate. Go.
5-star, no? I know. 5-star, no? I know.
Let's see. You cannot guess this.
If it's a bar, it's munch. I do winner. 4 over, na?
Yeah, 4 are over. This is the fourth one.
This is the 4th over. No, I was wrong before. I guess. Oh, I was wrong before, man. I can tell the same answer, na?
Yeah, you can tell.
This is Kit Kat. I guess.
మొత్తం తింటా తినేటప్పుడు
I obviously have to lay. Oh, there was still chocolate in that cup. Oh my god. Oh, it's something sticky. Dude, this have tasted right. Sometime I tasted this chocolate. Snickers! It's Snickers.
Confirm?
Confirm. I shouldn't get last, right? I shouldn't be last.
हो गया.
Oh.
Obviously.
So I don't think there's anything on the wrong side, na?
Take it.
No, they will be off.
Obviously.
Kit Kat, I guess.
Obviously,
it
all
was-
are wrong.
All are wrong.
Yeah. None of them is correct.
This taste.
Tell me.
Okay, this is Kit Kat, bro. Sorry, this is Snickers, bro. This is also Snickers.
There's Snickers or other chocolate.
Bro, this is confirmed Snickers, bro. Hey, last one it wasn't Snickers, I guess. Arey yaar.
Okay, you still have chance.
It is 100% Snickers.
Okay, we'll see. Think once again. Okay?
You take na. 2 wrong, I guess, till now. Yes, na?
6 are done till now.
2 wrong, na?
6 are done till now.
2 wrong.
You see after.
2 wrong.
After opening, okay?
Only 2 wrong.
All are wrong. Only one is correct. The Snickers is correct. That's it. Hold on.
Oh, some crunchy. Not at all 5-star. Mm-hmm. 5-star 3D. 5-star 3D.
Confirm?
No,
Think once again.
wait. Bro,
Only one is correct. Think correctly and tell.
it's 6 over, na?
Yeah, 6 are done. This is the 7th one.
I tasted it too. Might be bar one also. But bar one doesn't have crunchy. 5-star 3D, I guess.
Confirm.
Fuse is also there. Fuse is not so easy to chew. Not fuse. Munch, sorry, munch का भी है ना वो munch nuts.
Huh?
That's
Munch
over,
nuts
I guess,
है.
long time over. This is some kind
That
of...
might be wrong also. Once nuts.
5-star 3D, I guess. And guys, don't think I'm a noob.
So ready for the 8th one?
5-star 3D,
Okay. We'll see.
I think.
We'll
Mostly.
Now tell this. This is going to be very tricky.
I got it. Whenever I'm telling the wrong answer, na, you're using that chocolate for the next time. I know your tactics, Ray.
Okay, now guess which chocolate I'm giving.
Bro, too much chocolatey, bro. I need something. Some days I want.
No,
some
you
days.
shouldn't.
Arey, I thought you would put 5 star, Ray.
There is
I thought
bar
you
one
would put
also.
5 star, bro.
There is bar one also. Kit Kat, and that's why I told you it is very confusing.
Arey, beach mein got one crunchy. You didn't remove that part last time.
That ignore that crunch. I told you to eat everything. You left it.
5 star. No, bar one.
Confirm.
Confirm bar one.
Confirm. I'm asking once again.
I am telling means confirm only.
Confirm bar one only.
Bar one. There's still something left out.
Ah, there is so much of left. Eat it.
Throw it somewhere.
Eat it, bro. You should eat it.
I'm telling you now, bro. By touch only I told her.
No, you should eat it.
Bro, not going, bro. Too much chocolate.
It's okay. Eat it. Last. This is last. Eat it.
Last one you put it in and I'll tell na. I'll tell off.
Ah, you should.
Arey. Fuse is left, bro. Fuse is still left. Fuse is the answer.
You eat it. 5 star is also left. You
Yes,
did
bro.
not tell 5 star. You
I
did
didn't
not
tell 5 star, no?
Ah.
I didn't tell Munch Nuts also.
Hmm.
I didn't tell Fuse.
Hmm.
Shit. And अरे बीच में एक स्निकर्स खाया था ना मैंने स्टार्टिंग में वो that one is some 5 star again. No, that's not 5 star.
Okay, eat it.
You
And tell.
put something new?
Yeah, I put it.
Bro, why so much hurry, bro? It is not going in, bro.
But eat off fast, okay? You have to drink
Bro,
that also.
cavities also, bro.
It's okay, nothing will happen.
What was this answer?
You told it. You should remember.
What
Why
should-
should I?
what did
Why
I do?
will I tell you?
1 minute. This is similar to 5 star. It's not bar one. It's 5
No,
star.
you are eating.
I'm eating 5 star, not bar one. Change that answer.
You shouldn't change like that, okay? Anyway, you want to change it? Pakka. I'm asking once
Pakka
again.
5 star. And I want to spit it out.
Don't eat it. Anyway, I'm not changing it. That's that time. only
Arey,
I
why
asked
did you put all bars starting में रे?
That is my
After
wish, dude.
caramel, you
That is my wish, dude. Okay, eat soon.
Not going in, bro. This is new one.
That is new one.
Fuck, it's similar. Bro, this is bar one. This is bar one, bro.
Confirm.
Confirm. Confirm bar one, I'm removing.
Okay.
Removing.
Okay.
What is this, Ray? Bar one, na?
Okay. You told bar one correct.
Mm.
5 star is wrong. You told bar one for 5 star. The one who
I changed it, no?
No, I told I will not change. You told 5 star 3D also correct. Snickers also you guessed it.
Mm.
Kit Kat also you guessed it. And Munch Nuts also you guessed it.
So?
You were wrong with 5 star.
That was right, Ray. That was right.
I asked you 3 times, confirm or
But
not.
fourth time I don't know.
By that time I put another chocolate also. And
But I didn't taste
Fuse
another.
also you told wrong only. You did not tell anything for Fuse. I think you told Snickers for Fuse.
First time. Okay, that was fused.
That was Fuse.
Arey yaar.
Munch and Perk also wrong.
I told Ulta, na?
You told Kit Kat for Perk.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Where's my drink?
Okay, now it's my turn.
So let's begin.
Let's start.
Which one should I offer?
Reshoot actually. We are shooting it for the second time.
Guys.
So I'm eating for the second time.
Have it right. Okay, you want to have drink also. Have drink first and then.
Guys, it is something sticky.
Let's see. See how, bro. What, bro?
This is the Twinkle something. What is that name?
Bar one.
No.
5 star.
Eh,
Kit Kat.
No.
Fuse.
Fuse.
It's Fuse. 100%. Hello. Let's get.
Wait. Munch nuts. Fuse only.
Confirm? Hello. Done with one chocolate.
It is right or wrong?
Why should I tell you? Why should I tell? Hello. Let's go to the Take the chocolate, eat the chocolate, bro. What? Open my wraps. Hey, guess it, Ray. I thought you were some expert, bro, in eating chocolate and eating
nuts.
sweets. Confirm. Can be 5 star 3D also.
Munch nuts.
Can be Fuse also.
Munch nuts.
You might have told wrong answer first.
Munch nuts.
6. Okay.
Wait. Fuse.
Huh?
Okay, munch nuts only.
So let's go to our third chocolate. This was what I gave him. This is our third chocolate. This is it. Let's see what this fellow will guess. Try to think as if it's mixing with Cavins, bro. Remove Cavins from that. No, the taste. Remove Cavins the taste from that. Try to identify.
Perk.
Confirm. And the Kit Kat also.
Perk.
So, as you guessed, this is Perk. So let's go to our fourth chocolate. So this is what I gave him, and as usual, you know what he'll answer. I'll guess what he'll answer. He'll be answering this or this. Mostly this one. He'll be answering this one. Mostly. So what's your answer, eh?
Munch nuts. Munch nuts, paka.
Confirm. Okay. So, shall we go to our next topic?
Done.
There's one more small bit. It will be right, na? Abhinav is right always. Like last 2 challenges, you always win.
I will win.
You are born winner. Just answer this one right, it will be a draw. So this is what I gave him. I guess he'll be answering this one.
This is also tasting like perk. Kit Kat.
I think it's Perk, bro. Take one more chance.
Kit Kat.
100%. Baby now. Nice. Let's take one. Wait, which one should I give him? Yeah, this would be
That would be
right.
Snickers.
You want Snickers, huh?
You breaked it.
Ah, I broke it, bro. You say,
Okay.
Arey oh, eat the chocolate. Eat the chocolate.
Okay.
Ah, that's the chocolate.
Bad one.
Confirm. 100%. Okay, I'll fix it. Bro. Baron, no? Okay, should I put another next chocolate? Or should I wait? I think you know what's.
Okay, bad one only.
Okay. Now, you already won, right?
Yeah, then why? I'm taking off the blinds.
Ah, you okay, Ras. Have this. Enjoy. This is what I gave him. Let's see.
Munch.
Hey, think once more, right?
Munch.
This fellow is winning.
Munch.
Okay, let's put this munch aside. Next, go to the next one.
This is the last one.
No, bro, we have two more.
I'm not able to eat this much of food too.
Not able to eat.
Eating for the second time is not easy, okay?
It's okay. You know,
It is very
mistakes
difficult.
happen. Have this.
Snickers. Confirm.
Confirm. I thought it was this.
No. It is confirm Snickers.
Confirm. Okay, eat that.
No doubt. Not able to eat this much.
Our final. Final. I know you'll guess this right now. अरे हाँ
Not 5 star.
thank God you're wrong. You want to try once more? Over chocolate over you want some more chocolate? अरे see, you didn't drink the drink, right?
It's okay.
What? Sale, I drank it. Over. Happy? Confirm. You just tell me.
5 star only.
Confirm. 100%.
2015.
Open your. It's a fucking draw, bro. It's a draw.
Seriously?
It's a draw. It's a draw again. This is wrong as usual. So end of the day, you lost me. It's a draw.
It's a draw. So how do you decide?
I think I'll top this. Rock paper scissors, bro.
Rock, paper, scissors. Best of 3?
Best of 5, right?
No, best of 3.
Best of 5. Okay, best of 3.
Best of
5 win 2 times. Huh?
Okay, we'll
So,
see.
rock paper scissors. Arey!
Today is mine.
You will lose. 1-1. Whoever wins.
Whoever wins.
Oh. Fuck!
Yes!
I told best of 5, you told best of 3.
Best of 5, please, please.
So, if you win, okay.
Winner.
I got it. If you win this time, we'll go for best of 5. Obviously. So, we are going for best of 5 now. I won 2 times.
Oh no!
Over. I won. Babu. I told last time only. I told you to follow my quote.
Because
Sharp
of
your axe.
because of camera problem, you won.
Sharp your axe. I told na. You didn't sharp your brain. You didn't sharp your stomach also. Nothing you sharpened.
This is a cheating, okay?
I won. I told I'll win.
Okay, this is the end of the video. Bye.
Bola.
Bye.
I told I'll win. No, I won. Otherwise, winner.
So क्या हुआ?
Now punishment. I'll get some.
What
mixture.
punishment?
I'm getting a mixture. Wait, na. So I'm back. Mirchi, and in that mirchi, I would like to put some. Again, this. What do you call this?
That is
Red chili powder.
red chili powder. That is enough.
I have some mercy ray.
But only 1 spoon, dude. I can't eat everything.
Punishment, dude. Last time you made me drink the shit juice, ray.
That is so far better.
But फिर भी punishment. Don't lose again. You will have to face this merciless punishment.
Actually, you have to take this punishment because of this.
That's not my fault, man. Luck wasn't your favor.
I don't want this one, please. This one.
Arey, put some red chili powder, na? What green chili you are eating? Niche burn. It should burn your ass. This is not ice cream, we are taking Snapchat Twitter. Kind of. Sorry, my bad. My bad. Chalo, eat. 3, 2, 1. Eat, Ray. Eat. Jaldi. Good boy. One more spoon. Nice, na? Fully tasty, no? After this much sweet, once. The red chili powder. Nice, no? Didn't complete. Ayyo. Lol. Oh shit. Done, na? Arey, this much out. Arey, I can smell that mirchi, Ray. It's okay. Then don't lose next time. I know it's hard to lose. Better luck next time. Huh?
It is so hot.
Arey, you're crying? The tears. Oh my god. Wait. Wipe with this only. Wipe it. Oh my god. Tears, man. Rabino bhaiya.
Subscribe, okay? Bye.
Please subscribe. Seeing this face. Sorry,
Bye.
bro.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Please like, please share, please subscribe. At least for this bichara boy.
It is burning.
I know. Losers.
Next time you see.
Chalo, guys. Bye then.
Ah.